Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial walking you through what your experience could look like in Pencil Spaces on your mobile browser. So as you can see here, you have the capability to observe the whiteboard. I am watching Paulina edit the whiteboard. However, you yourself cannot edit the whiteboard. You can move between boards. So here Paulina is using leader mode to take me along the whiteboard with her. We've built an experience to follow along in your class while on the go. Here we are observing Paulina's point of view of using leader mode while I am using the mobile browser. While using the mobile browser, I have the capability of collapsing the video call or expanding it again. I also have the capability of expanding any screen share into full screen. While in the mobile browser, I still have access to features such as using reactions and adjusting my audio and video settings within Pencil Spaces. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to access our 24/7 Help Center. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the changes at Pencil Spaces.